Grandma! 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 There's a new update in I Am Cat! So that's what I'm going to check out. It's a mill! It's a freaking mill! With animals, I think. I don't know what a mill is. I'm pretty much an idiot. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I'm an idiot who doesn't know what a mill is. And I just feel stupid. Even though I just called myself stupid on purpose. Like I meant it. I did, but now I just feel dumb for saying that. I nearly fell. Grandma! Bye-bye, Grandma. I'm going to the mill. I'm going to the mill. I'm going to the mill. Boop! Oh my god. So excited. I'm at a mill! Oh my gosh, it's melting. I don't want... Oh my god. Is that a chicken? Is that a cow? Hello, Mr. Cow. Can I milk him? That's not appropriate. Can we fill this up with milk? Why is it so floppy? Bro doesn't want me getting his milk. Well, I'm just... Man. There's meant to be a chicken. You never saw me, Mr. Chicken. You never. Is there a farmer here? Hey, Mr. Cow. Hello, Marissa. Oh, friend. This new update is sick. Let me... Hello there, Mr. Bug. Hey, Mr. Chicken. Hi, Mr. Chicken. Hi, Mr. Chicken. Hi, Mr. Chicken. You want to be friends? Mr. Hen Man. Be friends with me. Want to be friends?